Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, greetings mathematics. See you again with me, Fadylah Akbar Nugraha. On this occasion, I will discuss a material that is vector material, where this vector material has a lot of application, especially in physics lesson. Okay, let's discuss. What is a vector? Well, first let's discuss the definition of the vector itself. In short, a vector is a line segment that has a length and a direction. For example, I will make a Cartesian diagram. For example, I've made a Cartesian diagram like this. Then there Then here are 2 points. Both points are denoted by capital letters. Point A with coordinate x1, point y1, and point B with coordinate x2, point y2. Then I drag it from A to B. It's called a line. If it has a direction from A to B, then it is called a vector. Including from O to A, it can also be represented by a vector. And also from O to B and even then vector. So the direction and length, the direction is opposite, then the vector will be opposite. Vector notation. Next, let's discuss vector notation. For vector notation, it is usually stated, for example, to express OA, we write OA with a row above it, indicating that the direction is from O to A. It starts at O and ends at A. Why? Because in a vector, there is a starting point and an end point. It can also be AB with an arrow above it as well as OB. So if there is a vector AB and vector BA, it is not same. Why? If AB means from A to B, while BA means from B to A, B to A. Position vector. Friends all, now we will learn how to components or elements of a vector and how do they relate to the coordinate in the previous Cartesian diagram. So from that I will explain the position vector. A position vector is a vector whose origin is at O. So here is the OA vector sorted to a small with an arrow above it similarly. OB is indicated by a lowercase b. Then how do we declare OA and OB? Then we will write next to the lowercase a in various form. This is in the form of a column matrix x1 point y1 can also be expressed in the form a row matrix like this x1 point y1. Now, and it can also in the form a unit vector like this xi plus yj. This also applies to this small b vector. So that's example of position vector. Non-position vector. So if there was a position vector, now I will discuss non-position vector. A non-position vector is a vector whose origin is not at O. An example is AB because the origin is in A. Then how to say it? vector AB equals vector B minus vector A. The same means with the tip minus the base. Now let's practice question. Example, suppose suppose there is a point A with coordinate 5.2 and point B with coordinate 9.7. Express in vector form AB. Answer. We use the non-position vector formula. Then vector AB equals vector B minus vector A. The vector AB is the same as we express in the form of a column matrix 9, 7 minus 5, 2. So that the vector AB is equals to 4, 5. Thank you very much to all parties, especially to Miss Hesti as the lecturer of this course. Thank you very much, Miss, for the lesson and all the material that Miss gave. May Miss always be healthy and protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next content. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.